Hello children, let's see the next exercise children. So far we have seen a lot of interesting exercise. Do you feel very interesting or do you feel very lazy? Are you feeling very lazy? Yes? Some of them saying, shaking their head like a yes. Okay, let's do the jolly exercise. Okay, will you all do the jolly exercise? Not this exercise. We are going to do a jolly exercise by jumping, standing, and sitting. Okay, let's do. Okay, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, sit, stand, jump, jump, stand, sit, sit down. Okay, very nice. Okay, you all become very happy, isn't it? Okay, on that happy note we will start our exercise. Okay, let's do the exercise. Look the book carefully children. Read the heading careful. Circle the pictures that end with the CK sound, then write the words in the blank. Okay, first they said we want to circle the picture which having the end sound is CK. Okay, if the end sound CK, the picture has a end sound CK, then we want to circle. This is the first point. And the second point, we should write the name. Okay, we should write the name in the given box. Okay, shall we do? Okay, first we are going to find out the picture. And first we are going to circle the images, then we are going to write the word in the blank. Okay children, okay, listen carefully children. What is this? This is, do you seen anywhere? Did you saw it anywhere? Remember children, remember it carefully, remember it. Yes, you will see the train will travel in this. What is this actually? The train will go, but what is this actually? Yes, this is track. What is this? This is track. Very good. Okay, so it's having a CK sound. What is the sound of CK? K. What is the sound of CK? K. Okay, now tell me whether the track having CK sound or not. Yes, you are having a CK sound. Shall we circle it? Yes, we are going to circle this. Very nice. Okay, let's move to this side, this picture. See here, just look at the picture very carefully. Then only you can understand what action going on there. Okay, just look at the picture carefully, then only you can understand actually what action is going on there. Okay, listen it. Here a table, and table the TV is having. When boy is just plugging the TV, he get shocked. Okay, he get shocked, isn't it? So only without your parents' knowledge you should not touch the plugs. Okay children, without your parents' knowledge, yes, without your parents' knowledge you should not touch the plugs. Okay children, did you got it? Okay, what he got in a shock. Do you hearing any CK sound? Yes, do you hearing any CK sound? Yes. So shall I put a circle here? Yes, I am going to put a circle. Okay, next move to this picture. What is this? This is head, I know that, but they are asking a question like here. Okay, touch your back and touch it. Now you can feel it. What is this? What is this? Yes, this is neck, isn't it? Did you study a parts of body? Yes, in that parts of body your school ma'am will teach you this is a neck. Okay, do you hearing any CK sound? Neck. Do you hearing any CK sound? Yes, you are hearing a CK sound. Shall I put a circle? Okay. Okay, let's move to this picture. What is this? Okay, did you play using this? Did you play it anywhere, at any time? Did you play it at any time or anywhere? Yes, this is a kite. This is a kite. Do you hearing any K sound, CK sound? No, you're not getting any CK sound. Okay, but we will see the spelling of the word kite. Okay, K I T E, kite. Okay, okay, but it does not have a CK word as well as it does not have a CK sound. Okay, okay, let's move to this picture. What is this? This is chick. This is a chick. Do you hearing any CK sound from this picture word? Chick. Chick. Yes, you are hearing a CK sound. So, shall I put a circle here? Yes, I am going to make a circle here. Okay, okay, let's move to this picture. What is this picture actually? Yes, this is a duck. 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 Okay, do you hearing any CK sound? Duck. 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 Do you hearing any CK sound? Yes, you hearing a CK sound. So, shall I make a circle? Yes, so I am going to make a circle. Okay, okay, so far we have circled the picture which have a CK sound. Now we are going to write the spelling for each word. Okay, the first one is track. Now we are going to write the spelling for track. T R A C K, track. Okay, next this is neck. N E C K, neck. And this is shock. You get a shock, isn't it? S H O C K, shock. Okay, okay, this is chick. Let's write the spelling for chick. C H I C K, chick. Okay, okay, this is duck. Let's write the spelling for duck. D U C K, duck. Okay, let's see the remaining 4 pictures also. Okay, see here, look at the picture carefully, then only you can understand what actually happening in the picture. Listen it carefully. Here a boy is lying on the bed, on his mouth having a thermometer. Okay, if he have his thermometer, then he does not feel good, isn't it? He feeling very bad. So this is sick. 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 Okay, sometimes we can say it sick, sometimes we can say it a weak. Okay, we can say weak also, sometimes we can say it sick. Okay, now let's take the word sick. Okay, sick. Okay, if you are having any CK sound, yes, the sick, for example, sick, S-I-C-K, sick. You are having a CK sound. So, shall I put a circle here? Okay, well done, good. Okay, let's move to here. What is this? This is brick. Brick, isn't it? Brick. Brick. You are hearing any CK sound? Yes, you are hearing a CK sound. So, shall I put a circle here? Very good. So, I am going to make a circle here. Okay. Okay, tell what is this? This is coat. Coat. You are hearing any CK sound? No, you're not at all hearing any CK sound. Okay, let's move to this picture. Here a boy is licking an ice cream. Yes, he is enjoying eating an ice cream. Okay, lick. Lick. You're hearing any CK sound? Lick. Yes, you're hearing a CK sound. So, shall I put a circle? Yes, I'm going to make a circle. Okay, let's write the spelling for sick. Yes, I C K, sick. Okay, here I am saying this is sick, but before exercise I told you this is a weak. Okay, but having a same meaning, weak or sick, but both meaning is similar only. He is not feeling good. Okay, the both meaning sick and weak, the both meaning have a, sorry, the both word having a same meaning. Okay, okay, let's write the spelling for brick. Okay, B R I C K, brick. Okay, okay, let's write the spelling for coat. C O A and T, coat. Okay, okay, let's write the spelling for lick. L I C K, lick. Okay, so in this exercise we have find it out how many words we find it out which having a CK sound. Let's be count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Totally we got a 8 word which having a CK sound, isn't it? Okay, the first one is T R A C K, track. Next one N E C K, neck. This is C H I C K, chick. This is S I C K, sick. This is not ending with CK, but this is a coat. C O A T, coat. Okay, listen, this is S H O C K, shock. This is K I T E, kite. This is D U C K, duck. This is B R I C K, brick. This is L I C K, lick. Okay, children, did you got it? Yes. Shall we move to the next exercise? Are you ready? Yes, I too ready. Let's go to the next exercise.